Hi family, welcome once again to Cooking with Efya. In today's video, we are diving into a classic dish that has been enjoyed for generations, our delicious Kontomire peanut soup, popularly known as Nkati Nkonto. This soup is smooth, hearty, and perfect for days when you want something comforting and satisfying. Let's move straight into making this beautiful traditional soup. I started by adding some chopped green pawpaw into a pot. Next, I added just 2 garden eggs and a few fresh pepper. Add a little water. Then I place my washed kontomire on top. Cover the pot and allow everything to cook together. This step softens the vegetables, making them easy to grind and helping the soup blend smoothly. Now let's build the base of our soup with some rich proteins. So in a clean pot, I'll go in with my washed fresh meat, goat meat, and a little bit of salted pork. Today I feel like keeping things extra traditional, so we are doing all our seasonings in Asanka. I started by adding garlic, ginger, and onions into the Asanka. I'll start grinding my spice gently in circular motions, just the way you're seeing it on the screens right now. Super easy and perfect for this kind of soup, but if you want to blend it, that's just fine. It makes the works easy as well. Now when everything is nicely blended, add a little water and pour it over the meat. After adding it to the meat, I'll also add some aromat or spice seasoning powder. I also included a shrimp seasoning tablet for that rich aromatic touch. Add salt to taste, tomato paste, and enough water to steam the meat beautifully. While that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, sharing, and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. So whilst we are allowing the meat to cook slowly until it becomes tender, let's return to our cooked vegetables. We are grinding everything in the Asanka as well, one after the other. So first I'll grind the pawpaw because that's very soft and very easy. You can also choose to grind it anyhow, any step that you want, okay? Now we're going to grind until it's smooth. Then we add in the garden eggs. As I said, feel free to use blender if you want stress-free life, okay? Whilst we grinding our vegetables, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Can you do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Now I'm going to add the kontomire and I'm also going to grind gently until it blends into the mixture beautifully, just the way you're seeing it on the screens right now. Finally, I'm going to add the peanut butter. I will grind it into the vegetables until it gets a creamy rich paste. This process gives the soup that traditional Nkati Nkonto texture we all know. Now I'll check on the meat and give it a quick stir. The meat is still nice, tender and juicy, so I allowed it to cook for additional 10 more minutes. We are back after extra 10 minutes and trust me, the aroma in here is really heavenly. It smells really good in here. It's time to go in with our grinded vegetables and peanut mixture. After adding the vegetables, add enough water until you reach your perfect soup consistency. I didn't strain mine, but you can strain it if you prefer a smoother soup. Trust me, straining soup is not my thing, as you all know here. But if you think it's not too smooth and you feel like straining the soup, it is allowed, okay? Now let's give everything a very good stir. After that, cover and allow it to cook so everything blends beautifully. Just let the soup simmer slowly. You will begin to see the oil rise and the color deepen. That's how you know the peanut is well cooked. At this point, the whole kitchen smells amazing and the soup is rich, creamy, and ready, as you can see from your screens. And just like that, our Kontomire peanut soup, our beautiful Nkati Nkonto, is ready to enjoy. But before we go, let me know what you think about this Ghanaian traditional soup. I hope you love it and you're going to give it a try as well. I'll be very glad to read all your amazing comments in the comment section down below. I served mine with plantain and cassava fufu, and oh my god, it was super delicious. Everybody enjoyed it and I hope you're going to give it a try. As I said, you can also enjoy this soup with any combo of your choice and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching Cooking with Efya. Don't forget to like, comment and follow for more amazing Ghanaian recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.